Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, front license plate bracket, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, low tire pressure warning. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. Come see the car for yourself.